Hey guys, hope you all are safe and well. I would like to take the opportunity to say thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. It's been a year now I have started with this YouTube channel, and I'm very happy to tell you guys that each day I'm getting a new subscriber for my YouTube channel. It so motivates me, and it's all thanks to each and every one of you. I've been reading all your comments a year long, and it was so inspiring for me to continue with this channel. When I created this channel, all I wanted to have words and its meaning to improve my vocabulary. So in order to improve my vocabulary, I chose to create this channel in a way where I just wanted to put my headphones on, play the playlist and listen the words and its meaning while I'm working, walking, jogging or doing some another work. Constantly hearing words and its meaning will definitely improve your vocabulary. It helped me a lot and hope it will help you too. Initially I started to create these words and meaning videos for myself. Then I thought let it be out for everyone to use it and hope that it might helpful for someone who is trying to find what is the meaning of those words in one place. Lots of people say having at least 1000 subscribers it's not a big deal when you compare this with the other YouTube channel. But it is a big deal to me because it's one of the milestones that YouTubers aim to achieve when YouTubers start YouTube's journey, and we have finally getting close to it. And subscribing tells me that you guys are interested in the content, and it definitely motivates me to make more such a content for you guys. Before we go ahead, I wanted to ask you guys for suggestion and some ideas for my YouTube channel. It would be great if you can leave the comment in the comment box down below and tell me what is that you guys would like to watch. I also got comment that please explain this in Hindi as well. I also have this concern about should I make it Hindi plus English or should it be just English? For those of you who don't understand Hindi, it would be great opportunity to learn Hindi, and for those who don't understand English, it will be easy to understand English. So in my calculation, instead of learning one language, you can learn two languages. And don't worry, I will break this in a small conversation so you can understand very easily without any difficulty. I will leave this up to you guys, so please leave a comment in the comment box below. In which way should I continue with this channel? What is it that you would like me to teach you? What tutorials would you like me to make? Or if you have any suggestion, or if you simply just want to give us some feedback about my videos. If you like or don't like something, or in a way that I can improve on, or some another things that I should try on to do more often. Anything, it would be great if you guys comment it on the comment section below. I would like to make a videos that can help each and every one of us. Thank you once again for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed my channel already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well for more notification. Thank you so much guys for all your supports. I will see you guys in the next video.